Hello, my name's Lee, and I'm one of the guides that gets set up. I hope you're going to be able to join me on a new class that we're going to be teaching called How to Digitize Your Analog Videos. Well, it only took myself and my family over 12 different moves and lugging around over hundreds of videos as well as photos to finally say enough was enough. So I hope you're able to join me in this class because we're going to be going over looking at the equipment, the technology, and the software, which are all very intimidating to try to figure out how to take all this media and put it on one simple platform to share it on your phone, your computer, or your laptop. So we're going to spend a few minutes going over all the technology, how to set it up, how to manage it, how to deal with all the software and all the issues that go with that. So I look forward to seeing you soon in this class. I know it'll be exciting and it'll be a relief to a lot of folks. So thanks very much and look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.